Okay, good morning, everyone. This is Karl F. Rose recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Tuesday, August 18th, 2020. This is just kind of a brief, yeah, I got the flickering going on. I'm recording from my new tablet, but I like what I see so far. I'll have to wait and see how the audio sounds. I might have to get an external mic, um, but this is just amazing. I'm going to be doing more videos on this particular tablet that I got. And if you're wondering why I'm not saying anything, I'm keeping that a secret. Uh, you'll eventually find out what I have, what I've got, and all the details when I learn more about it, and I can do the tutorials and that sort of thing on it. But uh, I'm loving the quality of this camera, both of it, the video and the still images. The only thing that's bugging me right now is the flickering, the light flickering. With the video. So I know when I do my time lapse and stuff, I'm going to have to do a lot of anti-flickering and that sort of thing. Uh, but at least I'm figuring that out now. But man, you can see the stitches in my vest here. Yeah, stand up here. There we go. Yeah, everything's in reverse because I'm on there. But yeah, it's pretty clear, and I'm really impressed. This is just a quick video. I'm going to be doing two more videos this week. Let's see, tomorrow and Thursday. So Friday is kind of a messed up day for me. Got a lot of things going on, but got a lot of new setups. As I've said to a lot of other people, I've been hacked and attacked, and I've been working a lot with doing really going into my security setups and all of my devices, even my TV. um, yeah, it just things are just crazy. But I'm tightening the bolts here, tightening the ship, uh, and there's going to be bigger and better things coming from me. But it's just going to take time. I just need to secure things. So I'm just kind of at a setback right now. Just it's more important for me to secure all my stuff. But in the meantime, I'm going to get little bits out here and do some editing from my a laptop. There's some things I want to do with CyberLink Power Director 18. I'm going to probably be working on some edits on older videos, some really cool stuff. So anyway, well, that's about it. So we will talk to you later, and have a good day.